Could you stop shaking your head? You're giving me a seizure.
What?
What is this? Bobby, don't stop. Alright. Look, speak.
What is this guy talking about? I don't understand you. What is this? You bring the whole universe, put it on you?
No, this is to wipe my tears because I'm Arab and I'm very sad all the time.
Why you Arab people very sadding?
We
What you do to yourself?
we
What you...
we grow
Well,
mustache.
Why you have this stupid mustache? You look like a stupid guy from Pakistan or something. We Indian people, we are no mustaching. We're like white people, look.
It's funny considering the fact that you're very hairy. You're unable to grow hair above your lip, but everywhere else.
What? Look at your stupid head. You have no hair here. What happened right there?
Because
You
I
okay, my
think
buddy?
too much. I use my brain all the time. Hair fall down. Cannot handle the amount of thought and thinking processed in this area.
The very funny thing about Arabs, they stupid. They don't know anything. They like go to school and they don't know how to be very cool. Like they don't drink the Red Bull.
That's
But
that's correct. But in the contrary, my friend,
what Contra? You play Contra? Contra like when I was little kid, I used to play Contra on the Atari.
Atari,
No,
Hayati.
Atari.
I think you eat too much spice. Your cells is starting to burn down from the spices.
Spices is very good for the stomach, very good for the brain. What do you know about spices? And then it is not spicy, it's just a little mild.
I know enough about spices. When I
We
go
eat
to
the
the
chicken
bathroom,
tikka. That is a different case. I don't want to go there because it is very sensitive topic here in India. I want to
That's funny.
keep,
Indians are
very daga. What?
Indians are sensitive.
We are not no sensitive. You can make fun of everybody except for us Indians. We don't make no funning. We thought that the Hindi baji hai.
Rock is happening to me now. Stop that bubble head
Go
thing.
like this. More. Okay, now mooring. Okay, now you can stop. See, I can't stop. What ability? How can you stop very fast? People help! Help! Helping! Help!
Alright, stop. Now tell me something interesting about the Indian culture.
Indian
Other-
culture, I will tell you, we have the most beautiful women in the world. They are very beautiful. Like we've got Aishwarya, we've got Amitabh Bachchan, he's a very beautiful woman. We've got Shah Rukh Khan, very beautiful woman. We have Hrithik Roshan, very beautiful woman. We have who else do we have? And we have like a lot of them people, and they're very good and very acting. We have the Bollywood.
That's
Hollywood?
Bollywood.
No, Hollywood.
Yes,
Hollywood, we have the replica of Hollywood, we call it Bollywood.
correct. The problem I have is I still confuse the men and women because they look so close to each other.
Where in India, are you talking about Arab people? You guys be putting this. You guys look like rabbits or like stupid pigeons.
This is called ninja skills. We try to blend.
What is this right here?
This
What do
is-
you do with this?
This is
what?
a blend with the wall. You cannot see me when I come behind you.
You're
See?
very right. Arab people, Arabing people, Arabing. Where do you come from? What country?
Me,
What country in Arabia?
the big one with the sand and rocks.
Syria?
One, yes.
Saudi Arabia?
No.
Egypt? Libya? Sudan?
Sudan is not an Arab country.
What is Africa country? I always confuse African and Arabs. You guys are all black people together. We in India, we have white people, we have yellow people, we have Berber people. Have you seen the Berber people in India?
Yes,
They're
because
purple.
yeah,
they're
they
very
suffocate
purpley.
for not having any oxygen. From
Like Gandhi was purple.
Gandhi was a good man.
He burned himself alive because he wanted to die for the peace.
He didn't burn himself. His color was that dark. But
No, he burned himself. We in India, we burn ourselves for peace, and you guys create the violent thing.
no, you burn
don't
set
have
your
no-
peace. We burn you for violence. So that's balance out.
I am not Hitler. You guys the Hitler do the burnings of the juice and the mango juice and the orange juice. He don't like juice at all, so he burned all the juice. Stupid guy.
He died from thirst because he had no juice to drink. That make perfect sense.
You want to have like 5 seconds silence for the people that died in the Hitlering?
No, I don't want to have 5 seconds.
Just 5 seconds, please.
Right, starting from 2 seconds ago.